Okay, I think it's alright, right?
Okay.
Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here.
Sami?
So today, in this video, we just review the Redmi Watch 3!
And we also have the Redmi K6, K60 Pro and K60E, right?
Yeah, that will be in our next video.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Exactly.
Give the like.
Exactly.
And
okay. Yeah, please subscribe to Sami and my channel.
Yeah.
Let's get started, right?
Yeah.
Let's go. We cannot talk too much because we got COVID.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the Redmi Watch 3 packaging. So here, one of the highlights is of course Bluetooth core, So you can use this watch to answer your call. That's one of the biggest updates. Mi logo here. Moving to the back, we have some highlights. So let's just open it. Let's check out what's new about this Redmi Watch 3. To open, we have the watch, and under that we have the cable. The cable is magnetic. And also we have the menu, Chinese menu. So the watch here lets you choose Chinese and English. Okay, and then it asks you to scan a QR code, pair, confirm, and the watch. So let's give a quick check of the watch. Here is an overall of your daily activity like sleep, heart rate, steps, calories, and then workouts. All the running working device here, profile, everything you can set here is from here. All right, so that's it. Now let's get to the watch first. Now let's get to the basic gesture of the watch. Touch here to activate it. So long press to switch different watch faces. I normally really like this kind of one because it's easy to to understand. Swipe down, we see the notifications. Swipe up, we see shortcuts like torch, vibration, settings, those kind of normal things. Display. Okay, auto lock, you can set 60 seconds. Raise to wake, double tap to wake. All right, those kind of things. And now let's swipe left. Sports, weather. Okay, we have other shortcuts here. It even supports Java voice assistant. Hello? How are you? It understands a little bit English, but it answers in Chinese, okay? All right. Okay, press the physical key here. You can see all the apps there. Sports mode, heart rate, SPO2, and you can even remote control your camera. Okay, just like that, you take one picture. All right, let me test more things. Heart rate. Just now at 8 BPM. I want to test SPO2. Okay, SPO2 here. Okay, finally it's 96%, so I assume it's okay. I'm normal, right? Not going to die or something. All right. So one of the highlights is like the screen display has 60 Hz refresh rate, so it's like high refresh rate, for the phone. It do feel smooth. Yeah, just open. Let's check out the workout, sports, outdoor running, working, freestyle hiking. More. Okay, yeah, it feels smooth. All right, so let me walk you through the highlights of the Redmi Watch 3. So the screen is 1.75-inch AMOLED, 341 ppi, 600 nits high brightness, a 60 Hz refresh rate, and always on display. It has always on display. And also, the official said it offers several or numerous, colorful straps, so you can choose whichever you want. Also supports Bluetooth core, and the battery life is 12 days. That's crazy. And it has 121 sports mode, and NFC, magnetic charging, and also offline payment. it all has. Oh, one thing is it supports 5 ATM waterproofing. It also supports SOS. You have to find the emergency SOS under the security, and then you have to enable it, and then rapidly press down the button 3 times to call your emergency contacts. You can also set other contacts, like your family members or someone. Okay, that's it. But notice that the strap here, they adopt this kind of design. Personally, I think this is tighter and better, maybe better. It's all right. It feels all right. The strap is quick release one. Just press the button here and the release. That's it. All right, that's the Redmi Watch 3. Lightweight, slim, compact. That's my first impression, and it has all those numerous features you could ask for from such a, budget smartwatch, right? It has everything you could ask for, you could imagine for, So definitely recommend it. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars for a smartwatch. This is enough. What do you think?